ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಸೀತಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ
Hello everyone. Our long time member Dr. Sridhar is going to sing a song. I would appreciate if you can give him a few minutes of your time when you're enjoying your dinner. Listen to a beautiful song. Okay, thank you.
So you saw the Sita Kalyanam wonderfully performed by the Kuchipudi dancers, and then
For those of you, there should be one minute. For those of you who don't know, Dr. Sridhar, he is a member, of course, like Hema was saying, about almost like 50 years, coming close to 50 years, Triveni is 50 years. Now, lately, in the last 10 years, what he is going to sing today, that's why I wanted to tell you, this is really Devata Anugraha. These are his own creations, the song he is going to sing. He has written it. It sounds like Purandarasa or Kandirasa. So I wanted to tell you, I know he did not tell that. That's why I wanted to tell you.
Thank you.
He is the composer of this.
You're directing me?
What? Yeah. Thank you for the direction.
so you saw the three members perform Sita Aparna. Now Rama has gone to search basically princess
I'll come back.
ಇನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀರಾ ಇದು ರೈಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿ